In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the equalizer in Spotify on PC. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the equalizer, how it works, and how to tweak it so your music sounds the way you like it. Let's start with the basics. Go ahead and open Spotify on your computer and make sure you're signed in. It's best to have a song playing while you do this so you can immediately hear the changes you make. Pick a track you know well, something you've listened to many times, because that makes it easier to notice even small adjustments in sound. Now, we want to get to the settings area where the equalizer lives. Look for the main menu or settings icon, usually found near the top right of the app window. Click on that and then choose the settings option. This will open a page with a lot of different sections, like account, privacy, and audio. Take a moment to scroll down slowly until you see the audio settings section. Within the audio section, you should see an option labeled equalizer or audio equalizer. If it's turned off, enable it. Once it's on, you'll see a set of sliders or a curve with different frequency values underneath, like 60 Hz, 150 Hz, 400 Hz, and so on. These numbers represent different parts of the sound spectrum, from low bass to high treble. Here's how to think about it. The sliders on the left control the bass, or low-end sounds, like kick drums and deep notes. The sliders in the middle affect vocals and instruments like guitars and pianos. The sliders on the right adjust the high-end details, like cymbals and overall brightness. You can start with one of the preset options if they are available, such as rock, pop, jazz, or bass boost. Select a preset and listen to how your music changes. This is a great way to get a feel for what the equalizer is doing without having to design your own settings from scratch. From there, you can fine-tune things manually. Try moving one slider at a time, just a little bit up or down, and listen carefully. If the bass feels too heavy or muddy, lower the left slider slightly. If vocals sound buried, gently raise some of the mid-frequencies. If the sound is too sharp or harsh, lower the sliders on the right. Make small changes, then give yourself a few seconds to get used to the new sound before adjusting again. Once you find a balance you really like, leave it there and try a few different songs and genres to confirm it works well overall. And that's how to use the equalizer in Spotify on PC to customize your listening experience.